Thanks for logging on to the MathCast for the week of February 18th through February 22nd. I'm your math teacher, Mrs. Williams. This week in math, we are flying. No, not really. We're going to sit in our seats. But because of pacing and kind of where we are actually going to stop Unit 5, and we're going to finish Unit 5 through skills checks and warm-ups each day. And we're are going to go ahead and start Unit 6 for Cores 1 and Core 3. We've started Unit 6 in both classes, and we will be looking at linear equations. We will see how they produce complex fractions with rational numbers. Things we'll be doing are tape diagrams. We'll be using hanger problems, which is super fun, and we'll also be solving those equations. In Core 2, we're going to finish Unit 4. We're almost done. They will probably test on Tuesday, so we hope to finish and wrap things up on Monday. We're going to do the same thing with Unit 5. We're going to kind of table it, and we're going to probably learn it through skills checks and through warm-ups each day. And then we're going to go ahead and move into Unit 6 with expressions and equations. Same thing, we'll be looking at tape diagrams. We'll be looking at linear equations, how to solve them using hanger models, and looking at how rational numbers work to create some complex fractions. As far as announcements go for Northwest Middle School, you need to buy your yearbook online. Get it today because the price continues to go up every month that you miss out. There are a couple things that need to be returned. We sent report cards home, and those need to be returned if you haven't returned it already. Also, registration forms went home. They're blue. If you could return those, make sure they're signed at the bottom and that they've given their choices for their electives for next year. And there was a red permission slip. This needs to be returned next week as well, along with the $4 for Triad Park. We'll be sending home some more information about Triad Park closer to June with details about food and activities and things like that. We'll also probably need some parent volunteers. And now for the bonus question. So this past week, we had a day of junior achievement where they came in and talked to us about the future, jobs, resumes, interviews, all things that you're going to do eventually. And so thinking about that, I would like for you to tell me what you'd like to do one day as an adult. What do you want your job to be? What do you want your career to be? So write that down. Have a parent sign it. You put your name on it and bring it in and put it in the MathCast box on Monday. Thanks.